Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today I am going to start off with a series of videos which will be discussing about health related issues in today's times. We will be also talking about the remedies which will be applicable as of date. Nothing to do with something in the past which is unapplicable today. So let us start off with the first video of this type right away. Is this the way of your getting up when you get up at night for visiting the washroom? If this is the way you are getting up suddenly, then it's a big problem. And this big problem may get you into large trouble by getting dizzy, by maybe with age, certain people can even fall in the washroom and end up with great injuries. So how to avoid this and what is the root cause of this kind of phenomena? Let us see the root cause as well as the remedy for this in this video.
Okay, so let me explain. So first of all, the process by which I was getting up, as in directly like this, was putting tremendous pressure on my backbone, which is what you should avoid. That is the first thing that I need to tell you, that you need to turn around. You need to put one of your hand, any one side you can turn around. You put your hand palm like this on the bed, and then take pressure from your palm, and then you get up like this. But most importantly, what I want to tell you is that in the lying down position, the heart rate is minimal because we are flat with the gravity, and the pumping action is quite slow because our brain is lying down here as well as the legs are in the same position. So it takes hardly any effort for the heart to pump the blood supply to the brain and to the legs symmetrically. Now when we get up or when we stand up, it has to work against the gravity, which is why there is a sudden deprivation of blood to the brain. The gravity pulls all the blood downwards towards the legs, and the heart has to pump more faster to reach out blood over there. Now this may take some time. You have to give this time to your body. So what is the right way of making this happen is, first of all, give yourself good support by going on one side. Just get up like this, and apparently this is night time. You don't want to break open your sleep, so obviously you don't want to do any exercises at this stage. This is not the video about how to get up in the morning. Okay, this is about you are getting up at night, going to the washroom and coming back. So what you need to do is, if you are seated on a floor like this bed which is kept on the floor, then you can just keep your legs like this. If you are onto a actual bed, then maybe you can hang your legs below or you touch to the floor, and then hold your knees like this if you are in this position, of course, and maybe closing your eyes, you can be calm like this for 30 seconds. 30 seconds or a little bit more. So 30 seconds should be sufficient for your brain to get blood supply through your heart. Your heart will take over and everything should be normal. So with this position, 30 seconds, now you have to get up. Now we are moving to more of a postural position of getting up from the floor position. So what you need to do is, you get your legs onto the floor, turn around, put both your palms to the bed, and then whichever is your strongest knee, you put it forward and then get up. Sometimes it is also recommended that you put your hand, instead of here, you can put one hand over here and then take some pressure, and then you can move out. Of course, when you are getting up from a bed which is at a higher position, then it becomes much easier for you, and that is the right way, so that you don't lose your you don't become giddy basically, and you don't fall down because of a blood pressure drop. So I hope this tip has helped you, and it will prevent damage to you in the future or any time in your life. So do follow this. In the next forthcoming videos, you will find some more such type of tips which will be of benefit to you. Keep watching, do subscribe till we meet in the next video. Thank you so much.